In rhythms that pulse with the jungle's might, the night symphony guides us through the wild in its dance free and refile, seeking the truth in stardust gentle sweeps, brittled in the dreams that the cosmos keeps. Sounds find our cartwheeled into song, great in our prosody and vulturely, we transcend into the depths of the night. Feel the pulse of the earth beneath bare feet, where night opens doors to dimensions discreet. 1,000 whispers call from the depths of the trees, guiding us into this cosmic breeze. Through shadows and lights we wander and sway, bound by the elements in celestial play. Visions converge where the sky kisses the land, minds of dreams running wild hand in hand. In twilight's glow we feel the calling winds, as cosmic lullabies speak in their spin. Veins of stardust intertwining with our soul, guiding paths to where the dreams unfold. Here under the sprawling celestial dome, we find ourselves in this vibrant cosmic home. Softly through the jungle night, colors swirl within my mind like peaceful dreams. Rhythms beating, calling out in cosmic tides, their melodies entwine in stars and light. Waves of euphoria spiral me as I drift into the sanctuary. Into the sorrows we dive deep, nothing's gonna part this strand. Nothing's gonna part this trance. Nothing's gonna part this trance. Visions of 1,000 hues dance before my open eyes, guiding me on through the cosmic veil hero. Thoughts swirling like a spiral of mystic glow, as they flow gently, moving in the other world. To the spirals we dive deep, nothing's gonna part this trance. Nothing's gonna part this trance. Nothing's gonna part this trance. Lost in echoes of cosmic dance, embraced by the winds of chant in the universe, is eternal trance, finding peace in harmony's lands. Into the spirals we dive deep, nothing's gonna part this trance. Nothing's gonna part this trance. Nothing's gonna part this trance.
Batidas no fundo, a trilha tá só me minando minha mente. voando, madame curti, repente teve bem. No semido, e só no sumir. Vem do puis, racheté. Sob as luzes, eu vou te achar. Tudo custo la paiada, se é da rede no santa cidade são deles. Até se aio, meus me rever.
Pulsação forte, mas mais distante, perdidos no tempo, o amor nos diz. Entregue a magia, já somos bis.
Vem no puis, racheté. Sob as luzes, eu vou te achar. Surdo samba, nos faz levitar. Vamos agir, dançar, voar. As luzes brilham, a cidade acorda. Vagueio por entre ruas pintadas de ouro. Sentindo o calor, todo meu ser transforma. Perco-me nas batidas, dança em devaneio. Noite vibrante, começo a flutuar. Corpos se juntam como um só coração. A música me leva, só a brisa soprar. Cada passo na pista, parte da nova criação. Flutuo nesse som, na pista, danço sem parar. Luzes piscam, sinto a vibração. Perdi a emoção, deixo-me levar. O ritmo és ar, culpa-me vana. Quando tudo é sensação. Na pista danço sem parar. Luzes piscam, sinto a vibração. Perdi a noção, deixo-me levar. O ritmo é como uma canção. Corpos se movem num só compasso. Esvazio a mente, tudo é sensação. Flutuo nesse som. Tudo me ces sons.
Where wind of samba breathe upon the golden sands of dreams. In Rio's arms, let the heart be free as echoes dance in a violet sea. Swaying palms in the moonlit haze, drawing stories in this rhythmic maze. Euphoric winds that softly sweep, stirring souls from the deepest sleep. Sweet caress of samba's embrace, dancing shadows in the endless chase. Night allure, like fire spreads, awakening the dreams inside our heads. As the starlit waves meet the shore, hearts awaken, yearning for more. With each beat, the rhythm grows in a symphony where passion flows. In the quiet dawn of Rio's embrace, legends are whispered, lightly traced. A journey begins as the city awakes, echoes of ancient tales the heart intakes. Mystical paths and psalmist ways, under sunlit skies and starry waves. The rhythm starts, a dance ignites, a soul's journey into the velvet nights. Under the fiery glow of a setting sun, the heart of Brazil starts to come alive. Beat of samba flows through city streets, a symphony of souls, wild and free. In the heartbeats of those who roam, seeking the light, the rhythmic dawn. Feel the pulse and lose control, drifting with dreams and lose my soul. Waves of the sea, calling softly under a moonlit Brazilian sky. Whispers of dreams weave through the night, a woman with luminescent eyes. Vendi, puis, racheté. Vendi, puis, racheté. Vendi, puis, racheté. Oh. Dancing alone by the river's edge, mystical rhythms in the endless dance, embracing the night as time fades away in this hypnotic trance. Vendi, puis, racheté. Vendi, puis, racheté. Vendi, puis, racheté. Oh. Colors explode in tropical hues. Stories of love float in the air, lost in a world of bright revelry. As stars circle her hair.